am a teacher. My name is Anna. You are a doctor. Your name is Pablo. She is an artist. Her name is Louis. He is a farmer. His name is Thomas. We are students. We study hard. They are chefs. They work in the park. My mom is a nurse. Her name is Rosa. My dad is a driver. His name is Carlos. My friends are musicians. They play all day. My neighbors are builders. They work and save. What is your job? Tell me now. Are you a worker? Take a bow. The teachers are kind. They help us grow. The firefighters are brave. They save and go. Maria is a dentist. She cleans teeth. Juan and Pedro are pilots. They fly so neat. What is your job? Tell me now. Are you a worker? Take a bow. I am a teacher. My name is Anna. You are a doctor. Your name is Pablo. What is your job?